Hello, my name is Christy and welcome to the third week of Wylock. So the first worksheet asks what is the underlying place value. So if we look at the first question, it gives us the number 32 and the 3 is underlined. Now if we look at the 3, it is the second number from the right. So this would be in its tens place. For number 2, the first number from the right is underlined, which means that this is in its ones place. For number 3, the third number from the right, which isn't 2, is underlined, which means that it is in its hundreds place. And it's gonna be like that for almost all the other ones. For thousands, this would be the thousands because it's 4 away from the right. So thousands. Okay, so the second worksheet asks if the number you're given is even or odd. Now, even numbers would include numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And odd numbers would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So if the number ends with 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it is an even number. If the number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then it is an odd number. So if we look at number 1, the only number here is 3. And over here I said that number 3 belongs in the odd section. So number 1 is an odd number. Number 2 gives us 6, and if we look here, it is in the even section, so this would be an even number. Oh, even also includes 0. Okay, so number 3, it is 20, and the last number is 0, which means that it is an even number. And you can just do this for the rest of the problems, and just all you have to do is look at the last number, or the number that is way to the right, and figure out if it is even or odd. Okay, so here we have multiplication. So 5 times 4 would be 20. 5 times 6 would be 30. 9 times 2 would be 18. And you would just do that for the rest. And for the double digit numbers, it would be easier if you wrote it like this. So 13 times 10. Then you do 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 0, so 0 goes down there. 1 times 0 is 0, so 0 goes here. And then when you start a new row for the next set of numbers, you add a 0 and then you start multiplying. So you added a 0, and then 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So your answer to number 15 is 130. The first question asks, Kelly put 297 bales of hay in one barn. There are still 86 bales of hay in the field. How many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field? So the two numbers in this word problem are 297 and 86. So those are the two most important parts of this word problem. So first we write 297 bales of hay. And then there's 86 bales of hay in the field. So 86, and it asks how many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field. So this is the barn, and this is the field. So you would subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 2 minus nothing is 2. And your answer would be 211 more bales of hay. Now, when you're doing these word problems, you have to make sure to read the questions very carefully, and when you write your answer, you have to make sure to write units. Number 3, what is the least possible number that you can write with the digits 3, 5, 9, and 4? So, if you want to make the least number possible, you have to start the left side with the smallest number, because if, let's say it's 3,000, 5,000, 9,000, and 4,000. between these four numbers, 3,000 is obviously the smallest number. So you have to put the 3 in the thousands place. And whoops. And so we know that the 3 goes into the thousands place. And the same goes for all the other digits. As it goes to the right, it should become a bigger number. So 3, the next number that is bigger than 3 is 4. And then the next number would be 5. And the next number would be 9. So 3,459 would be the least possible number that you can write with these digits. Number 5, Sally and her dad went to catch some fish. Sally caught 12 fish and her dad caught 9 fish. They then decided to throw back 4 of the fish into the ocean. How many fish do they have left in total? So it says that Sally caught 12 fish. So we'll draw a little fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's a deformed fish. 12. So 4 by 3, 12 fish. And her dad caught 9 fish. So plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the total of fish that they caught together. Then they decide to throw back 4 of the fish into the ocean. So 4 of them went back into the ocean. Now if we count all of these fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After they throw back the 4 fish, I can't count 12, 9. Okay, so in the end, they ended with 17 fish. 17 fish. Now this is your answer. Now without using this model, you can just do 12 plus 9. So 9 plus 12 would be 9 plus 2 is 11. Put the 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 21. But they throw back 4 fish, so you would subtract 4 from 21. This would turn into 11. The 2 turns into a 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So there you have your answer. I hope you understand everything now, and hope you have a great rest of the week, and good luck in school. Bye!